Jamaican stories that will have you wondering why people so wicked. High school terrors. Full story. A young woman was attending a prominent high school in Jamaica, let's call her Kelly. It was SBA season and she had already completed hers. The teacher asked students who already completed and submitted their SBAs to assist their classmates, so she decided to help a young man. His mother insisted that she had to pay Kelly to express her gratitude and gave her $1,000. She took the money and put it in her pocket, but by the time she reached the gate, the money disappeared. Kelly went home and told her mother about what happened. Many years later, as an adult, a pastor approached her and told her that many years ago when she helped that young man, the money that went missing from her pockets was a curse. The pastor went on to say that the young man's mother placed gold in her pocket so that she won't have money, or she will always spend money recklessly. Kelly didn't believe in those things until the pastor saw her out of nowhere and said it to her, but the only person she ever told about it was her mother. She didn't even think those things were possible. The young man's mother did it to a few other people, and that's how people started to know her wicked ways. Another young lady, let's call her Lynn, lent her notes to a classmate. A week before CXC, her classmate told her that she lost the book. After the exams, her classmate conveniently found the book and tried to return it. Lynn didn't take it. When results came, Lynn passed all her subjects and her classmate failed all of hers. Lynn knew better, as she knew that it is a common practice for parents to use spells to try to blight the future of other children who are better than their children in school. Even now as adults, these practices are still common. That is why you hear old people say, be careful who you give your pictures or your handwriting to.
Like and follow for more.